How you doing, everyone? Thank you for tuning in. Today we have the Elmet group, and their ticker symbol is ELMT, and we are on the daily time frame. So, the Elmet group, they just went public April 24th ish, so of this year. So they don't have much data, however you want to say it. But regardless, we're gonna go ahead and see what we can pull up here. So with them, I would like to see if they're gonna basically, because they're already in this $14 mark. I want to see if they're gonna end up actually either coming back down from this area, or what I'm thinking they might end up doing is actually popping more upward towards the 16 $50 area. So from here we might see some either sellers come in, or we might see some buyers come in, actually break that $17.68, come back into the $16.94-ish, 84-ish level, and then continue going back up and actually trying to surpass and break past that $23 mark. Let's see what we can get. But from there on in, let's see what we can do. I mean, it's a very intriguing chart. So I mean, this has a lot of potential, and let's see what we can get out of it. Okay, so I mean, everything is educational purposes only, but I mean, I'm just showcasing on what we can get, So let's see what EMT gives us. So thank you for tuning in. Again, please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying what you're seeing. And again, if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. And if you have any recommendations or any charts you would like for me to go over, even if they're your own charts, please feel free to shoot them over. Thank you so much, and have a great day and enjoy the rest of your week, and have a great and profitable week if you haven't already. Bye.